with my round. My coochie pink, my booty hole brown. Where the niggas come looking for the hoe. Quit playing nigga, cause fuck a bitch.
Can't focus on me. Baby, can you focus?
Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Serenitysjt, and I'm back with another video. As you guys can see by the title, this is not a synthetic unit. This is a human hair unit. And Ashimary sent me this wig, and the color is different. I'll say it is dark color friendly, or whatever you want to call it. Now my initial review on this wig, the color is super pretty. It's not like a complete blonde, so it's like a black girl blonde. It's like the color you get like when you're trying to tone the wig to get that perfect black girl blonde, and pretty much achieve it this way. So it's really cute. Like, I really like the hair. The lace is pretty much super full. You can do like a deep side part or anything you want from the middle, because it goes all the way to the back. So it's pretty much full. You know what I'm saying? 13, I think it's a 13 by 6, but I'll put all the information in here. They sent me this wig, and it did come with a lot of other goodies. And this is the first company that actually sent me like a curling iron for my edges. So hop on that, and everything will be in the description below for you guys if you want to order this same wig, same color and everything, and the same link. I can say it does shed a little, but it's not like super terrible to the point where it's just like, oh, I'm gonna need my money back. So I'll say on that, the color is beautiful. The length is definitely true to length. It did come pre-curled, so it is true to length. The curls are really nice. I definitely love the hair. Like, the color is everything, because who doesn't like a good blonde wig or something that's like a pop of color for you? But yeah, Ashimary sent me this hair, and it's pretty much like, it's a 10 out of 10 for me. Like, the curl, it came pre-curled, it came pre-plucked. The lace was super nice. It's very thin. It wasn't like a thick lace. Only thing I did have a problem with, like, I haven't did a light color in a long time, so I did have, you'll see in the video, like, it was chaos, but in the end it was pretty much worth it. I did come out with a nice style. I was struggling a little bit, but I did get back on track. But yeah guys, so that's pretty much the video. The hair itself is a 10 out of 10 for me. It did get light shedding. I'm not getting things that you can see, like, the curls are super nice, even with them being curled out for a minute. Super nice. But overall, this hair is a 10 out of 10 for me. I would definitely purchase. Definitely. But everything is in the link in the description below. If you want to go ahead and purchase a wig, go ahead and do it. And let's get right into the video.
Not just mine. Can you run for me? Oh baby, stop for me. Can you take it to the top of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of you. Can you roll for me? Oh baby, all over me. Can you take control of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of you, baby.
should be this shit slick about it. Right, got no hustle or nothing, so he gon' stick about it. I be knowing the rundown, I'm down, and so I can't speak about it. She know I'm the things, and she love me, I bring the freak about it. Can't play with me, you know I coach her. I'm in a different league, I'm tired of showing I can get done. What you gon' do for me? 40,000 miles up in the air, every time I get some Z's. Full cook, press foot on their neck, and I can't let them breathe. Blood, sweat, and tears come with this check, it ain't nowhere near easy. Had to fall back, you know I let go, we only speaking briefly. Hope I'm not too much to handle. See this nigga from Atlanta, I spent my last check on ammo. This is not a regular Lambo. $100,000 kit, could've put down on another Lambo. Don't be in the mix, I built this shit forever, have to say so. This shit gon' get serious about my money, this ain't no fucking play though. Brought it down for double homicide, I try to tell him lay low.
Tell me what you say now, tell me what you say. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal, but you ain't shit and you weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse than you. I just can't keep running away. But I don't need you. I don't need you. I don't need you. I don't need you. But I want you. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. But everybody's like he's no item. Please don't like him. He don't wife him. He one item. I never listen, no. I should've figured though.
Controlling me, I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of you, baby.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, because what are you doing? And yeah guys, until next time, I'll have more wig reviews for you guys soon. Even synthetic ones, I have one coming up soon. But this hair is a 10 out of 10 for me. And yeah, if you want to go ahead and purchase it, click the link in the description below.